Hello everyone, I am Abdurrakhman Puty from Junior High School SMPN 207, and today I would like to tackle one of the modern issue of modern society, which is plastic waste. You see, a lot of people nowadays just throw their trash wherever they like, and it's bad to it's polluting the earth, and it's not only bad to the earth, it's also bad to us due to a thing called microplastic. You see, microplastic is something that fishes love to eat. And when we eat a fish that's been contaminated or has been eating microplastic, it's bad to us since we tend to get very, very sick. So, instead of polluting the earth and littering everywhere, why don't we turn plastic waste into a handicraft like an artificial flower? This one is very simple to make, and that's what I'll be exactly teaching you today. So first, we're gonna need plastic, some scissors, artificial leaf, string, artificial petal, artificial middle part of the flower, some wires, like this one, and some glue. So, this is how you do it. First, grab a plastic bag, and then we're gonna cut off both sides of the end. Like this. And we can just put this one to the side. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing to this side. And then we're just gonna cut off one of the side here. I'm gonna pick this one. Yep. Like this. And then we just cut it. Like so. And then you'll flatten the plastic out like so. And then just gonna put the scissors to the side. Then we grab our artificial middle part of the leaf. And then we're just gonna pick a side we like and just wrap it around. Make sure to pinch this part right here, the bottom part of the artificial middle part. And then we're just gonna give it around 2 to 3 centimeter worth of space. Grab our scissor, pinch it, twist it, and then we cut it. Now, after we're done cutting, we're gonna grab our string. Just got a bit of it off. And just tie it around. Like so. Like so. So you get something like this, and then we're just gonna cut off the excess string. This, and then we're gonna repeat that step 2 or 3 more times so we can get a lot more layers. We're gonna cut the same length, then just cut it again. Make sure to pinch this part down so it goes like this. Yep. Gonna do this again. Like so. Pinch the top part and then wrap it around. Twist it a bit. And then cut it again. So you have something like this. And then we're gonna tie it around again. Unfortunately for me, I've already done that. And this is the example. We're just gonna use this one, and then you would like to put a hole in the middle part. You can use the wire to poke a hole into it and pierce it like so, like that. Now we grab the wires, grab ourselves the glue, like so. We're gonna dip the top part of it in glue. Any glue would do just fine. And then we would like to just grab the artificial paddles and then stick it in first. And then after we do that, we stick in the plastic flowers like so. Like so. And then we're gonna grab ourselves some glue as well. And then we're just gonna put it to the side of on top of the leaves. Like so. Just give it a little bit. You don't need to add too much. And then we're just gonna pinch the flower so it all sticks, the glue can sticks to the plastic, and then we just open it up like so. Then you're gonna have something like this. It looks pretty good, but it's not done yet. So after that, we're gonna grab the artificial leaf, and then we're just gonna tie it around like so. So we have something like this. And then you could do this again and again until you can make a full bouquet like this one, which we have a lot. Now, I hope by teaching you how to make this artificial flower, you guys can do it at home as well, so we don't have to pollute the earth and to get ourselves sick. So hopefully by doing this, we can keep the plastic in our place a little longer so we can be safe, you know. I think that's all from me, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.